Imagine throwing a baseball. It flies through the air, curves downward, and eventually hits the ground. Now imagine throwing it so fast that before it can hit the ground, the Earth curves away beneath it. Throw it even faster, and suddenly, it never lands. That's exactly what the moon has been doing for over 4 billion years. Most people think the moon is simply floating beside Earth. It isn't. The moon is actually falling toward Earth every single second. So why doesn't it crash? The answer begins with gravity. Earth's gravity constantly pulls the moon inward, just like it pulls an apple from a tree. If the moon were standing still, gravity would pull it straight into Earth. But the moon isn't standing still. It's racing sideways through space at about 3,680 kilometers per hour. That sideways motion changes everything. As gravity pulls the moon downward, the moon keeps moving forward at exactly the same time. Every second, it falls toward Earth. But Earth curves away beneath it by almost the exact same amount. The result? The moon keeps missing Earth. Imagine tying a ball to a string and swinging it over your head. The string constantly pulls the ball inward, but because it's moving sideways, it circles around you instead of flying straight into your hand. Gravity plays the role of the string. Except in space, there's no string at all, only gravity.
If you're enjoying these mind-bending science explainers, subscribe for more videos that reveal the hidden physics behind our universe.
This same idea keeps satellites in orbit around Earth. The International Space Station isn't floating above our planet. It's also falling. In fact, astronauts on board are constantly falling toward Earth. They're weightless because both they and their spacecraft are falling together at exactly the same rate. Orbit isn't the absence of gravity. It's what happens when gravity and forward motion remain perfectly balanced. If the moon suddenly slowed down, gravity would pull it into Earth.
If it sped up enough, it could escape Earth's gravity entirely. Instead, it's moving at just the right speed to remain in orbit, a delicate balance that has lasted billions of years. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember, you're watching one of the longest continuous falls in the history of the universe, a fall that never reaches the ground. Subscribe for more science that completely changes the way you see the cosmos.